Everyone, I'm lying in my garden and I can't resist to make a short video to make you listen to the nice songbirds I'm listening at the moment. I don't know what the birds are, but the songs are very lovely. I see one there in the tree, but if I move it will fly away anyway. It's a very lovely song. I don't know what I'm filming, so maybe I can try to zoom. I can't see anything in the sun. Maybe there. Maybe it's there. I guess it's there. I can't use my tripod because the grass is too high. I see him now.